What?
Yeah, guys, how are you guys doing today? You know it's your boy Pencus.
Back at it again.
Alright,
Yeah,
so
man.
I'm me and Rick there today because the rest of you gentlemen them and my friends them gone at work. So I just me and Rick alone. I got check in today.
Yeah, man.
So today
Different
guys,
style.
how you go Rick?
Yeah, man, different style today upon them, man. Here. Yeah, man, some jerk pork and jerk chicken. Something simple. Yard style, you know what I mean?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So guys, I'm asking you guys just to remember to do like, share,
Subscribe.
and leave a comment of your
Yeah,
own
man.
will. So, Rick, I gotta get the pork clean
Yeah,
up
man.
and get the
Season
chicken.
up and skull and everything, you know what I mean?
Alright?
Yeah, man.
Yes.
So tune in, yeah, man. So this is the pork. We have the chicken. What we gonna do now, we're gonna just season up the pork first and then we move on to the chicken. You understand? First, we're gonna scald off the pork before we start seasoning off. You see me? So we're gonna get the wash off and scald off. I wanna say they look nice. Right. No vinegar.
Yes.
It's vinegar there. See me? One, yeah.
Alright. You do that. Oh, yeah. Rick, I go and get the chicken clean up. You see me, I say, guys?
Yes.
We're going to do the right thing. You see me, I say, guys? So, you don't know, guys, as what I said before, I really appreciate for all of you guys who subscribe to my channel and watch every video that I upload on YouTube. And I really appreciate for all of you guys. So I always have to say, thank you so very much for your turning out, and thank you so very much for your lovely support. And you have to, you know, everything we have to give thanks and praise to the Most High Jah, everlasting God, you know? Because He make everything possible, you know what I mean? So guys, stay tuned while Rick get the chicken clean up, okay?
They see this throwing everything we cut up and thing, blend up and you know, and a wicked blender. Yeah.
Once again, I'm gonna get the coal pot light up. Get some coal inside the coal pot.
Yes. Get the pork skull, you know what I mean?
She's right.
Man, go watch you all going over there to finish doing that. Yeah, man. So we'll go skull off a pork now. Yes.
all are going good.
You
So,
understand?
I'm going to make Rick put on the
Put
pot.
on the pork, you know?
Yeah.
You go on scarlet, you understand? Yeah, man. We'll see what I go on there. Yeah, man, so put up on the fire already for scarlet now, you understand? Yeah,
So,
man,
we're going to drop some garlics.
pimento leaf and pimento seed and them things there in there, you know?
Alright, so
Yeah. Garlic in there, but, you know, soften up the meat. Take out all the runs, you know what I mean? Alright. Get the pimento leaf, wash off and come in. Drop in the pimento leaf and all in our pot. Season. I'm put in ginger with pimento seed in it. Yeah, man, so I go on in the pot there. Another epic moment there. We'll check what I go on in our pot now. See what I go on to pork. Alright, yeah. So I go on. I'm gonna take time to scar down. Give it one next 5 minutes. Take it off fire and season it up. Get the chicken season. Move too slow so it just pop off it up, you know what I mean? Alright. Get the jerk season. Marinate everything I know. Everything season up on thing, you know what I mean? Yes. Rubbing this thing in it, you know. So jerk seed chicken with the season up. Cover him up and make him go and soak. Season go and soak in it. Light up the grill pan.
Yeah, love how you look. Looking good. Yeah, my peeps. Look at it, my peeps. Looking so good. Remember, I know, looking good, looking better. No one does it better like at Penco Spearfishing. So anyway, peeps, the next 2 minutes, I'll get the pork off, get it seasoned up, and drop it on the jerk pan. And from the jerk pan to a belly. That is it.
Yeah, man, so this is the garlic season. Yeah, make sure I put some garlic seeds up on it too. Seeds well soaking, you know what I mean? Rub in. Close up the pot now. Check the pork now. See, say pork ready, I know. finish scald. I gotta take it off by fire now.
Damn.
So I get the pork seasoned through it. So I go on. Get the blend up season now. Man, so pork season up now. Ready to go up on the fire, so I make it go on. Soak up and make it season, go on marinate. Then we put it on the fire. Understand? Well seasoned up. Well seasoned up. Just, right.
Chocolate brown, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps. You don't know I go. Chocolate brown? Yeah, man. Check in and do the right thing, you know?
Yeah, man. So I go on there. This spin them over. Then go and soak again. I'm going to check it back in a few. Yeah, man. Put piece of parental leaf over them, you know what I mean? Get a little fragrance.
Yes,
Yeah, man, mix up a red stripe here. And look at the water in there. Yeah, man. You're over the chicken. Want to catch a smell? Yeah, man. Yes.
You know so that I feel good. Yeah, guys, so the chicken almost ready. So the one them are ready. Rick, I gotta put them on top of the grill. So catch Rick, I go and get the chicken together, guys. They're looking so good. Chocolate brown. Oh my goodness, look at this, peeps. Oh my god. Chocolate brown. Oh my god. Wow. Damn. Yeah, guys, pork seasoned up and looking so lovely. Wow, looking so gorgeous.
The chicken up top.
Wow, look at
Beautiful.
that.
Smell. Yeah, man, I get the parental leave them. Put on top of the pork. And let them grill pan. Go and do your thing. You understand? Bring it over pork. Go and do your thing.
Wow. Damn.
Eat the come over here again. Let's see what I'm going. Woo. Chicken them jerk.
Yeah, guys. You know, so we just are going tune in. So today, guys, there's some jerk chicken, jerk pork. And we're going to find some fritters. And we have bread same way.
Same way on the
So
side.
you don't know, guys, we're checking today. As I said before, good youth.
Yeah,
So we're just there. You don't know Nick behind the camera already, as usual. So,
Freestyle.
it's a freestyle in the yard. You know, go down.
Yeah. Cook's doing it.
Cooks just check in.
Just stay down, check in.
Check in, you know? Yeah.
Done. I say best cooking.
Yeah. I remember now, guys. If you like, share, and subscribe.
The channel.
Alright, guys. At this time, we're going to start get the fritters together. So we're going to start get the flour mix up. But what am I going to do? I'm going to add some scallion pepper and a bell pepper towards the flour when I mix it up. So I'm going to get down in the business now and get the thing them cut up. Alright guys, let's season them this. So what I'm gonna do now, get the flour. Have the flour throw out in the pot. But now I'm gonna use a lot of flour anyway. I believe that will be okay. So I'm gonna add the mixed seasoning. This is it. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar. Just a little tip of salt. I'm gonna add a little tip of the black pepper. Yes guys, that is it. So I'll get it mixed in now. Okay, then I'm gonna get the water and add the water to the flour. Have it mixed out the proper way because we're not gonna use it thick we're gonna have it a little bit freelance.
Catch me some more water.
Yeah guys, get it working, you know, the proper way, you know. Yeah man. Epic, you know. Yeah guys, so as soon as the frying pan hot, I go inside, that is it.
Yeah man, I gotta take off the pork now. So I go on. Yeah man, pork ready. Yes. Well, sure.
Yeah man. Yeah guys, I get things done. So as soon as them get brown, I gotta start dropping the fritters them, and after that we can start consume some food. Pina now, you know. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna take out the pepper and the garlics, have it throw in the bin. Yeah guys, 3 at a time, cause we not no rush. That is it guys. Yeah guys, this is how I go on, you see me? Yeah man. Yeah guys, we want to get the chocolate brown color, you know. So as soon as they get the chocolate brown color, I'm gonna flip it on the other side, and then we flip it out to the board, you know. Stay tuned guys. Yeah kids, so I'm not talking about a chocolate brown. See it there? Chocolate brown, that is what I'm talking about. Chocolate brown.
Yes.
Nobody does it better than us. The chocolate brown look, that's what I want them to have the look, you know. So them have the real chocolate brown, you know. Yeah man, tell the guys, looking good, you know. Drop in another plate, guys. So I go cover up bucket pot and drop in another set, guys. Yeah guys, let them get the chocolate brown, you know. That's what I'm talking about. Let's just take out another set at this time. Chocolate brown. Yeah guys. So guys, this is it, you know. This is it guys. So we have the pork out here, so. We have the pork. So I eat this guys, you see me? Yeah man, so I'm gonna start get everything sure out now. Start get everything sure out now guys. So let's go and stay tuned guys. So we'll get everything. So come in Rick, I had this sharing, you know. So the board there now.
Side. So you know if you want put the ketchup and pepper. Look at sauce. Put it on this.
Pork look good.
Epic. Really epic.
Come on, dude. Yeah, pick some cooks on man and then come.
Bone of motor jerk pork.
See next boy.
So you clean? Watch out now. Bone this. Pork one. What?
Sauce pan fever.
Oh, hi guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. One food up. Yeah, Pink was bad food, you know?
Yeah.
I go taste it and then come back with the review.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, that is it, you know?
That is it, you know?
You know, we tune in, Rick, Penkas, Crux, and Richie there. Come see Richie on one of the video before, don't? We there, man. So, guys, we're going to consume some food. So, I just want to say to all the viewers and the supporter, thank you so very much for the lovely support, and thank you so very much for the turning out. We have to say to the people, Rick.
Yeah, man, another bad epic here. Tune in.
Yeah, spear fishing, finger licking, best chicken.
I try a picture, take a picture.
Yeah, guys, this is the moms. This is the crocs. So, me go, as Nicky said, we go eat mine. I don't know a chef, but our chef. Our chef. This is the barber chef. Our chef.
Full away.
Hey guys, this is it, you know?
I go carry go do that.
So, you know, they are going to roll them, catch flat, I'm going to get down in a frame.
A pit one. Yeah.
That power, brother.